Okay, Talapati Vijay. Becoming CM was very unexpected to me क्योंकि जब मैं I remember a year back after Vijay was going to become CM और बहुत सारे controversies चल रहे थे around और the Stalin already in the government तो I don't follow much Tamil Nadu politics but मैं ऊपर से देख रहा था I was curious कि कैसा लगता है even though for last 5 6 years he has been super cringe. I hate his movies for last 4 5 years. It's just downhill. What the fuck is Vijay didn't reinvent himself, right? It was cool 6 7 years back, whatever he did. That cigarette thing and all this mass masala movies was good. We were also a little backward audience back then because I think COVID changed us a lot. कोविड में हमने बहुत एक्सपीरियंस किया न्यू कंटेंट नेटफ्लिक्स आया इंडिया में एंड ऑल लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर टू वेस्टर्न मीडिया तो हमारे स्टैंडर्ड्स थोड़े बढ़ चुके हैं पहले से तो अब तलबजी हैज बीन आउटडेटेड आई थिंक ही इज आउट ऑफ फील्ड बट ही हैज स्ट्रांग फैन बेस एंड आई लव तलबजी ठीक है देयर वाज अ टाइम ही मे इवन बी मैं वॉलपेपर में सुनता हूँ दिस लव टाइम दैट मच मैं केरला से यहाँ से आ रहा हूँ जिस पार्ट से मैं आ रहा हूँ वहाँ पे सुपर तलबजी फैंस थे उसकी हर मूवी में फ्लेक्स करता था हर जगह तो आई वाज लाइक ये को तलबजी बट I never thought he would win politics because Stalin was doing well according to me at least. From ऊपर से I don't know the nitty gritty of this तमिलनाडु politics but I heard कि उसने GDP बढ़ाया and all that shit was doing great और there's no actual reason for him to lose and the party is 20 years old and all that और he's bringing a new party and I was really not optimistic at all for Vijay to win. और भाई बट मैं रैलीज में देखता था जितने सारे लोग आ रहे थे बहन से दैट्स क्रेजी टू मी कितने करोड़ों लोग आ रहे थे उसे देखने के लिए मतलब हाँ तमिलनाडु लोगों में थोड़ा निकल मेंटालिटी एंड मेंटालिटी तो थोड़ा है कि हीरो वर्शिप थोड़ा ज़्यादा है मतलब विजय को मैंने सुना विजय को कुछ बीमारी हो गई तो एक बंदा सुसाइड करने की कोशिश कर रहा था या कमल हासन और रजनीकांत के fans got outrageous and try to commit suicide and all that when they fall sick or something happens to them. So crazy level of hero worship तो है बैंगलोर में भी है और तमिलनाडु में भी है तेलंगाना में भी है some what केरला में भी है but lot more in Tamil Nadu because there have been MGR or these celebrities who became CM so there's a history of it even though Kamal Hassan lost but I never thought Vijay would become now but last few months में लग रहा था कि maybe फिर वो त्रिशा वाला केस आया his extramarital affair so I thought he would lose completely but फिर to that's the amount of fan base he has created and I've heard कि he has this fan associations जो कुत्तों की तरह काम कर रहे for last 10 years helping people out it's not a 1 year thing or 2 year thing he has been working in ground level for 10 plus years I've heard or his predictions in that movie scene and all that I'm really happy he came to the government. More enthusiasm for me because he's Christian, I guess, as one of the first Christian CMs I'm seeing. No, Stalin is also Christian, I'm not sure. But apart from that, I think Vijay, I don't know if he is the right candidate for the job क्योंकि विजय ने कोई he hasn't served as MLA or anything, MP or nothing. He has no what do you say, Rajneetic experience, but I think he would do well because he's a fast learner and he's a smart, clever man. And he has some amazing policies. I heard he was going to give chairs, gas cylinders for free. वो करने के लिए भाई को ईरान इन्वेड करना पड़ेगा भाई इज नॉट हैपनिंग पर आई थिंक ही इज वर्थ अ शॉट यू शुड गिव हिम अ शॉट इवन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प फर्स्ट came into the presidency with no zero experience and I think at least in his first term he did very well compared to second term till now has been a disaster but we all know if it's a disaster or it's a manufactured plot because उसके पीछे में बहुत सारी theories हैं regimes and all that so I don't know but yes we should give it a chance to Vijay and I think he'll do well and I'm excited to see that Vijay